And how fucking dare anyone out there make fun of Jigsaw after all he's been through? He just lost his child. He went through a divorce. He had 2 fucking sequels already. His apprentice turned out to be a user, a cheater, and now he's going through his autopsy. All you people care about is traps and making money off of him. He's a human! What you guys don't realize is that Jigsaw is making IMDb all his money, and all you do is write all this crap about him. He hasn't been alive for months. It's called Saw 4 for a reason, because all you people care about is Saw, 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 Saw! Leave him alone! You're lucky he even made any traps for you bastards! Leave Jigsaw alone! Please. Agent Straub talked about professionalism and said if Jigsaw was a professional, he would have pulled it off no matter what. Speaking of professionalism, when is it professional to publicly bash someone who's going through a hard time? Leave Jigsaw alone! Please. Leave John Kramer alone right now! I mean it. Anyone who has a problem with him, you deal with me. Because he's not well right now. Leave him alone.